Hello, in today's video, we will be showcasing the MDVR8104H, from its feature and specifications up to the application. We have it all put together in this video. The MDVR8104H is a 4-channel mobile DVR that supports 720p HDD camera resolution, full metal housing design with no visible screw outside, and a smart panel lock to conceal the HDD, SD and TF card slot for a sleek and professional design. It also comes with aviation connector that is stable and reliable for long time usage. It features industrial level material, special interface for mobile DVR, and built in with the latest technology of audio and video compression. Here are the peripherals included with the device. The MDVR8104H is suitable for any vehicle application. For instance, if you only require vehicle surveillance to cover your vehicle's surrounding, this device is perfect. It can support up to 4 HDD cameras, which can be installed as shown here. For huge vehicles such as trucks and buses, the MDVR8104H is also a good choice. This device can also support up to 4 PTZ Camera. A surveillance camera with pan, tilt and zoom functionality features a rotating lens with directional and zoom capabilities, and the camera can be controlled remotely. It can pan left to right and tilt up and down. The MDVR8104H is also compatible with the CMS platform. You can monitor your vehicle anytime and anywhere. It has video playback feature, so when an unfortunate event occurs, you can simply review the footage for evidence. I hope we have given enough information about the MDVR8104H. To know more about our other products and devices, please like and subscribe to our channel. See you all again soon. Bye.